Approximately 63 participants are competing in the 10th district level kickboxing championship that was inaugurated at Niangbari Reboy district. Organized by the Kickboxing Association of Reboy district, the championship features male and female competitors across senior, junior and sub-junior categories. In his inaugural address, MDC Balaji Rani emphasized Reboy district's potential for both indoor and outdoor sports and encouraged participants to excel, noting the increasing popularity of kickboxing.
Khun ki jongi kinyo ban semadan ya kasap kabamaki kidon. Borok ki samla ki jongi kimdon tangkawe kasap. Kidon lala kajong kasap. Le se mapi ki bawan hangne fidon ya takasap. Hakabani le kai ya ka ne kaji le kai kickboxing. Kumbala batai iba rang telu mene. Ba kane kaji le kai mentah kelas dang baha ban pau. Omdei tang ha ka dong ka than ka jongi. Andai ngia keren haka pertehi borok kowe.